Okay, straight down. Little bit of brake. Okay, let's signal right. Check your mirror. Check your right blind spot. Right blind spot. We're going to pull over and we'll stop the car at the side of the road here. Okay, that's good. Look way straight ahead. And we'll stop right here. That's good. Okay, from here we'll do a 3-point turn.
Yeah.
You remember that? Okay.
I just think about it. Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
To turn the car around. That's correct. All the way to the left. And signal left. You checked your mirror. And what else do you check before you move the car? So you check the mirror. There you go, your left blind spot. Yeah. Okay, and if everything's good, then go ahead. A little bit of gas, yeah. Just to get the car rolling a little bit quicker. And then back on the brake. There we go, that's good. Okay, next. Yeah, into reverse, okay. And now you want to turn your wheels again. Which way do you turn the wheels before you move the car here? So your wheels are like that?
Yes.
We want to go that way, right? So you're going to have to back up by turning your wheels to the right. All the way to the right.
Well, we need to go this way. Why we?
Well, because we're going to back up.
Oh.
We're going to back up first. There, all the way to the right and signal right. Okay, look around before you move the vehicle, 360 degrees around your vehicle. That's good, so you don't really need any gas here. And we'll stop right here so that you don't back up too far, too much into drive. And now your wheels.
All there.
Yes, all the way to the left. And signal left. Okay, check your surroundings. Okay, looks good. Loosen your grip. We're going straight. Push the gas. Let's see, the wheel will come back, right? If you push the gas hard enough, the wheel will start coming back on its own. Sometimes the wheel spins really fast, so you just slow it down with your palms. And we'll keep going here. Sharp right. Good. Straight ahead to the stop sign. At the stop sign, we're going to turn right. See your yellow line? Move your car. There, okay.
You go.
Yeah, you can. Keep going straight out because you got a curb right here. If you turn too soon, the back tire is going to go over the curb. Not to the left, just straight ahead sort of thing. Sharp right. Not an easy one, eh? Okay. And we'll keep going straight ahead. Stay in your lane, okay. Good. And here we're going to turn right. Turn. He has a stop sign. Okay, so we'll do another 3-point turn. Use your signal. Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Before you pull over, signal right, because you have to pull over to the side of the road. Check your mirror though. And we'll go over there by the bush. And check your right blind spot too. There we go. Okay, now we pull over to the right side of the road and stop. Okay, and continue. We're going to turn the car around. We'll do a 3-point turn.
Here.
Yeah.
Right. Turn.
There you go. Signaling left. Okay. Nobody's behind you.
No.
Checking your left blind spot. Okay. And okay. Yeah, wheels all the way to the right. Putting it in reverse, looking around. That's nice. Okay, that's good. You don't want to back up too far, because if you leave space here, that car to your right will pass you, right? You want to prevent him from passing you. All right. Signaling left, good. Sharp left. Let the car roll. And push the gas. Push it. Push the gas.
Okay.
You're going to be on that side. Okay, let's turn left down this laneway here. Signal left. Down this laneway.
What do I need?
Yeah, no, this laneway right here. Turn left. Need to push the gas. Careful. There you go. Straight ahead. See the yellow line over there at the exit? You stay to the right. And straight ahead. Just check left, check right. Looks good. And we're going to turn left. So be prepared to stop. You never know, something might be coming, right? Okay, go ahead. At the stop sign, we're going to turn left. Push the gas. If you push it harder, if you push the gas harder when you're coming out of the turn, the wheel will start spinning, and you just got to slow it down. Instead of you're trying to help the wheel come back, right? So you just press on the gas. We'll keep going straight.
You know, it's hard for me to the distance if we keep
The width?
Yeah.
So can you imagine 2 lanes here? One for you going straight and one for the opposite side.
Yeah.
So you just keep it here like this. It's good. You're on the correct side of the roadway, of the laneway. And it helps if you look further down the lane, sort of thing. So you got a little yellow line here. You stay to the right of the yellow line, and we'll turn left. Check right, make sure nothing's coming. And push the gas. At the stop sign, we're going to make a right turn. And go ahead. He has a stop sign. Go ahead. He's going to stop. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Push the gas. Go ahead. See, he has to wait for you because you stopped first. So that gives you the right of way. We're going to turn left at the stop sign here.
The car is too big. It scared me.
Scared you, eh?
Yeah.
Well, he's a professional. He has an obligation to follow the rules of the road.
So
Yeah, go ahead. Very good. Okay, push the gas a little bit, and we're going to make a left lane change here. Signal left. And we're going straight at the lights. So now you can cancel your left signal here. Just stay over here. Stay over here. So you're not on top of that white line. Okay. Aim where you're driving. When the light turns green, you will have the right of way to go. And you don't want to take too long to get through here, because 40% of accidents happen when you're inside the intersection. The light just turned red over here. There you go. You got your green, checking left, center, right, left again, and everything's good. Good speed, really good speed. Oh, good. You're avoiding all the holes. Thank you.
I know this car because
It's fun, eh?
it helps me. Yeah.
Yeah. It's a good car. I love this car. I want it to last for a long time. Good. So your foot's on the brake, and we'll go park the vehicle in that little space over there. You see someone standing there. Yeah. Awesome. All right. Very good, Yanfang.
Thank you.
Yeah, that was very good. Okay, you go ahead and put it in park and engage your fake brake. You got it.
Yeah.
Congratulations. You made a really big progress today. That was excellent.
Thank you so much.
And so, yeah, just practicing that really, really helps, like with your turns. But eventually you're gonna have to step on the gas when you come out of a turn, though, just to pick up your speed, right? And it's just going to take more practice. That's all.
Okay.
So I think we're going again tomorrow.
Yeah, I have another question.
Sure.
So, yeah, when we see the speed limited signs,
Yeah.
for example, it's 40 or 30. When my speed reached 30, I took off my gas,
Yeah.
and the speed will goes down.
Yeah, and it goes down. The speed changes when you take your foot off the gas.
Yeah.
The car slows down quite quickly. So
But
it takes.
I want to keep steady.
So you keep steady pressure on the gas pedal, just very feather light. Like if you press too hard, you're going to speed up really fast. If you take your foot right off, then you're going to slow down too much.
Yes. Yeah,
So you got to find that happy medium with steady, constant adjustment of the gas.
Okay. So,
And again, it just takes more practice.
thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. And we're so when we will go to the highway, we will practice highway.
Highway driving, yeah. When you're ready. When you're ready for the highway driving, yeah.
So it's hard.
Yeah, well, we're not going to do that right away because that's super dangerous, right?
Yeah.
So I'm not comfortable going out onto the highway with you just yet. Until you get control of the primary controls, the steering, the gas, the brake, where you're looking, and managing your speed at a constant rate of speed. Until you can do that, then the highway portion of the lessons is off the table for now. Okay, you understand though, right?
Yeah.
Do you feel like you're ready, or?
Yeah, safety is first. Yeah.
You know, and maybe next time what we'll do is we'll go maybe just a little bit on the highway, but not for a full hour though. Just just a short distance down the highway, and then just to give you the experience.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
We'll try.
So how many more courses do you think I need to?
Don't know. I don't know. I'm not sure. But next time, like, we've got one more to do before, and then
tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll figure
tomorrow.
it out. Like, you're not ready to go for. You're nowhere near ready to go for any kind of road test or anything like that now. So you'll need many more lessons. To be honest, you're going to need a lot more. So after tomorrow, then tomorrow's Friday.
Yes.
Yeah, tomorrow if I were you, call the office to book some more.
Thank you so much.
That'll be the best.
You will go a
course
call
of action
to their office.
Eh?
When you give a call to the office, or
You.
Okay.
You call.
Okay.
But I'm gonna send them an email.
Thank you so
and
much.
I'll talk to them as well.
So they'll know to expect your phone call.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay.